Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today, I'll be sharing a wholly special recipe, the ever popular Urad Dal Kachoris, crispy and flaky kachoris with a spicy stuffing. To begin, soak half a cup dhuli urad dal, split black gram in water for 2 to 3 hours. Drain well, grind coarsely and keep aside. To prepare the dough, take 2 cups all-purpose flour in a large bowl, add in a teaspoon of salt and 5 tablespoons melted ghee or clarified butter. Rub it in until you get a breadcrumb consistency. Knead it into a soft dough using water. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. To prepare the stuffing, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in the dry masalas on low heat, 1 teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania, 1 teaspoon fennel powder saunf, half teaspoon dry ginger powder saunt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons amchur dry mango powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder and a pinch of asafoetida hing. Mix well. Add in a tablespoon of gram flour besan and roast until you can smell the aroma. Add in the coarsely ground dal, mix well, cook until the moisture dries up. Remove to a bowl to cool. Do not leave it in the pan. Once the dough is well rested, knead it again. Divide it into 10 equal portions. Shape them into balls and roll them out 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Apply water to the edges. Add in about 2 tablespoons of the stuffing. Trim the edges and gather them in the center for the desired kachori shape. Press it down and roll it out a bit again. Heat oil for deep frying on low to medium heat. Add in the kachoris, knotted side down. Allow them to rise to the top before turning them over. Fry them on medium heat until golden in color. The urad dal kachoris are ready to serve. Enjoy them with potato curry. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.